Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to flip or mirror photos here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to bring up your File Explorer. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for File Explorer. Once you've typed the File Explorer, you need to proceed with the best match and click on Open to continue. So here at the File Explorer, please navigate to the location where your pictures is being saved to. In my case, it is being placed at my pictures location. So once you have find it, please locate for the image that you'd like to mirror or flip with. In my case, I'll be selecting this one, which is I love K-pop. So double tap to it. And once you have double tapped it, you need to expand this window so that you can see all of that clearly. So at the upper left side of that, you can see there a list of the option and you can look for edit. So click on edit. And the moment you do it, you just have to wait until the editing would be ready for you. Okay? So once it's ready, at the bottom of that, you can see an icon like this. Where here, if you'd like to mirror this photo or image, all you need to do is you need to click on this. And in that way, you would be able to mirror or flip the image. Okay? And if you'd like to flip the image vertically, all you need to do is you need to click on it. And in that way, you would be able to flip the image vertically. Okay? So if you'd like to flip it also horizontally, you can click on it to flip it horizontally. Okay? And if you would like also to flip the image to or rotate the image to 90 degrees or clockwise, click on it. And in that way, you would be able to flip the image by 90 degrees clockwise. Okay? And if you would also like to rotate the image 90 degrees counterclockwise, click on its icon and in that way you would be able to flip the image on counterclockwise. So this is good, especially if you have an image which is not being placed here. Which is not being placed correctly, you can flip the image to make it clear to look at through. Okay? So that's it. So once you're done, you can now click on Saved Options. Okay, so let's try to flip that once again. You can now click on Saved Options, Saved as Copy. And by that, you just have to wait until you can now save this flipped image that you have done in this window. Okay, you can also change the file name into flipped. Let me just edit my typo first since I forgot to put an L next to F. Sorry for that. Flipped space imaged. Once you're done, click on saved and you're good to go. So we just have here the flipped image which is being flipped or mirrored to. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.